So if you want to create an AI video, this is video for you to watch from beginning to the end. So in this video, I want to showcase how you could create an AI video for free. Yes, in this video I'm going to use a Gemini for this AI video creation. So I don't know, we have so many thousands of videos. We have thousands of AI videos creation tools out there that you can use. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to use Gemini. So now, don't forget, if you've watched my past video on AI prompt creation, I talk about tags, I talk about true, and I talk about what context. So we are made to act like a what? Act like a what? Act like a video editor with over 20 years of experiences. Create a simple video ad for my software business whereby I can advertise my software business creation services. So in this video, yes, in this prompt already, we obviously can see that we have these three contexts in this these three terms inside this prompt. The first and foremost is our role. Yes, which is acting like a video editor with over 20 years of experiences. And the second part, which is the task now to create a video ad, and the context is where this last sentence this last paraphrase is. So that's just all about creating an AI video. So after that, I'll click on the enter button, and wow, can you see? Can you see? So all these are the workflows or processes that Gemini will use to generate an AI video for us. So now we have to click on the button to generate the video. So this video usually mostly take time between 1 or 2 minutes. Can you see? It's beginning to generate the video for you. So it will take time between mostly 1 or 2 minutes, but after it's done creating the video, you can now export it, and when you export it, you can watch video and make another video as you want. But the limitation that I can see with Gemini creation is that you can only create 2 videos per day on your Gemini Pro version, because obviously I'm using a Gemini Pro version in this video. So I don't know if you've come across my AI prompt ebook. I'll post the link of this AI prompt ebook in the description of this video, so you can check out this ebook. This ebook will guide you on how to create an effective AI prompt for your various use cases. It might be for content creation, might be for videography, might be for video editing and stuff like that. So kindly check out this video, and kindly check out the AI prompt, my AI ebook prompt in the description below, so you can just download it and have access to all those things you need to have access to. So with this AI prompt ebook, it will guide you on what your prompt needs to have, or the requirement your prompt needs to have to get the desired result and all stuff like that. So I believe you've gained a lot in this video, and thank you so much for this video. Kindly share this video with somebody out there that is interested in learning how to create an AI video by themselves. And in this video, I'm able to generate an AI video by myself using Gemini and my well-defined prompt, which is based on the role, tags, and context. So this is the role, this is the tags, and this is the context. So thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.
From frustrating spreadsheets to streamlined success, it's time to scale your software business.